Welcome back everybody. As the holiday season wraps us in a slower rhythm, we are taking a small detour from our usual scale model builds. Today we are assembling a striking metal model, the DM-121 Turbofan Engine by Stirlingkit, crafted at 1:12 scale and inspired by none other than the legendary GE90 from General Electric, an engineering marvel that powers aircraft like the Boeing 777. This kit was kindly provided by Stirlingkit. Many thanks for them for their support. If you're interested in this model or any other of their offerings, you find a link in the description below, along with a coupon code that gives you a discount on your purchase. Let's begin with the unboxing of this heavy premium quality box. Almost every component inside is made entirely of metal, giving the whole kit a truly high-end feel. The contents are neatly arranged in several layers of protection foam, and as you can see, each compartment is numbered, making it easier to identify every part later during the build. There are also true transparent plastic components included, allowing you to observe the internal mechanics in motion once the model is complete. However, it would have been wise to provide these parts with extra protection during shipping, minor ref with a few scratches, likely caused by contact with the metal components in the box. A small detail, but certainly an area with room for improvement. The kit also comes complete with batteries, allowing you to run the engine without needing a direct power connection. And naturally, it includes a range of electronic components as well, everything you need to control and operate the engine once it's fully assembled. Included in the kit are also 3 screwdrivers, perfectly suited for tightening the many small screws you encounter throughout the build. A bit hard to catch on camera, but here you can see the scratches on the plastic parts a bit more clearly. And yes, just to correct myself earlier, it's actually 3 plastic components, not 2. Let's also take a look at the instruction manual, which is printed in full color on a high quality semi-gloss paper. The manual is in English and Chinese, and I had no trouble following it throughout the build. What I did find missing was a bit more background on the engine itself. A few reference photos of the real G90 would have been a welcome touch, but I'm nitpicking here. You'll be assembling individual components of the kit first and bring them together later in the process, so make sure to clean some space on your workbench, as you definitely need the room. The build will take around 2 to 3 hours to complete. At the end of the manual, you also find a complete part list with corresponding numbers, very handy in case you've mixed up any of the components in the box during unpackaging. One more thing, the manual notes that some components require grease during assembly. Unfortunately, as you can see, the grease was missing from my box. A bit of a disappointment, but nothing too serious. It's easily replaced for a few dollars at the local supermarket. I did reach out to customer support and they kindly offered to send a replacement, though I decided not to wait for it. So let's begin assembling the engine. The build starts with installing the electronic components into the base, laying the foundation for everything that follows. The power connector sits a bit loosely at first, so I'm temporarily securing it with some blue tack. Later on I fixed it in place more permanently using epoxy glue for a firm and stable hold. Even though the kit includes a large number of parts, everything fits together with precision. Most of the build time is spent placing components and fastening them with screws. Stirlingkit markets this as an education product, and rightly so. Since many parts of the engine are built separately, it's a project that works well with 2 or more people. All in all, I'd say it makes for a rather nice gift for a grandson, wouldn't you agree? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Now this is the fun part, testing whether the whole thing actually spins. I could do this for hours. Here's something oddly satisfying about it, and I must say it looks rather impressive in motion. Now all that's left is to bring the assembled components together, and with that the build is complete. And that wraps up today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this little detour into the world of engines. If you did, consider leaving a like and subscribing, it really helps the channel. A big thank you to Stirlingkit once again, And if you're interested in picking up a kit like this yourself, you find all the links in the description below. As my channel turns 5 years old, I want to take a moment to sincerely thank each and every one of you for your continued support. Without you, I certainly wouldn't be doing this. With that, I wish you all a joyful Christmas and a happy New Year. Until next time, happy building.